Hello and welcome to Hill and Ponton's Social Security Disability blog. I'm Natalia Jofre, the Social Security Section Director.
And I'm Shelly Mark. I'm the Senior Social Security Attorney.
So we're continuing our series on workers' compensation and Social Security disability benefits. We've had a lot of cases over the years where the claimant either received workers' comp while they were trying to apply for benefits or they settled a case. And I know that you have come across a specific situation many times. When they've settled and what has resulted from that.
That's right, Natalia. I have had a number of clients who have settled their workers' comp claim. So they were injured on the job, and then maybe they were getting benefits, but at some point they employed an attorney, and they decided to ask for a settlement of benefits rather than ongoing benefits. What I see in the contracts, the settlement contracts that I read, is the claimant or the client is asking to be found unable to perform their work anymore for a lump sum of workers' comp benefits. And if that settlement is reached and agreed upon and everything becomes final, in the cases that I've seen, that person does lose their job. So they're not then allowed to continue that employment. So I would just advise individuals to really talk to their attorneys, really understand what that settlement contract and paperwork says. Because if there is, it's a small settlement amount, and you need to weigh that against your annual salary and whether or not you could ask for some accommodations, by that employer to some lighter type work. Because in the cases that I have worked with, they did lose their jobs.
Yeah. And we've both seen cases where, the employer maybe made accommodations for many years, like to where they gave them treatment, they gave them weekly work comp benefits, and then once they got better, they were able to return to work. And then sometimes maybe re-injury occurs, and so they go back off, they pay them some more, they get them rehabilitated, then they go back to work. But what Shelly's talking about is at the end of the case, or if the doctor basically says, you've reached maximum medical improvement or something to that effect, and now there's nothing more we can do for you, and so the client is saying, well, now I'm going to just settle my case. But you've seen some pretty drastic results. I mean, you can have a settlement that's significantly high, but then you could have a case where you're settling for $7,000 and you're losing a $30,000 job. So you have to weigh all of that and talk to your attorney about what's best for you and whether you are in fact going to lose your job. What is this going to mean? What's the ramifications of this settlement after you filed it?
Right.
Because, and the other thing is, like, I've seen settlements left open to where we're going to pay your future medical, and then I've seen settlements where they say, we're giving you this money, we're done. You're not getting any more medical treatment from us, you're not getting any more money from us, and so you need to understand, and all of the settlements are really different.
They're all very different, and from clients that I've had and talked to, there are many, I wouldn't say most, but many clients don't understand what they're signing. And, it's very important because, like you said, as far as are you going to have any medical care moving forward? Are you not? Are you losing your employment? What is your attorney's fee? If it's a $7,000 settlement, and then you're losing you have to pay an attorney's fee out of that as well. So just try to be informed when you reach the settlement, and definitely, ask all of those questions. Ask your attorney all of those questions.
And the medical treatment's a big thing. It just came to mind because if you are not going to have continued medical treatment through workers' comp, and now you're applying for Social Security, and it's going to take 3 years for you to be approved, or even if you are approved, there's a 2-year waiting period for Medicare. What are you going to do for medical treatment during that period of time?
Right.
And so if your injury is significant enough to where you can't work anymore, it would seem that you need to have that ongoing medical treatment.
Right.
So ask those questions.
Definitely.
Yeah. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, feel free to call our office or visit our website. We'll continue this series on workers' comp and Social Security. Until that next time, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.